I'm Erica Thompson, and I'm taking the AV and Office Equipment and Materials course at Red River College. And for assignment 4 today, I'm going to teach you the proper way to maintain and operate a 16mm film projector. The cleaning materials you're going to need are a can of compressed air, a bottle of lens cleaner, an anti-static cloth, and for this particular projector, you're going to need a screwdriver to remove the cover plate in front of a lamp to change a burnt lamp. The first thing you're going to want to do is pull the side panel down and lift this side panel up. This will give you access to the lamp cover plate. Then take the screwdriver and loosen the screw. Then move the cover plate out of the way. Take these two metal prongs here and pull them apart, and this metal prong at the bottom, push it forward, and the lamp pops right out of place. In this particular machine, the replacement lamps are kept inside the front cover plate, so you could just take it out, remove the cover, and place it in where the old lamp was. But since this lamp isn't burnt out yet, I'm just going to put it back. So, take the lamp, the two prongs at the end are going to line up with these slots in this plastic compartment, and just slide the lamp in until you hear it click into place. With the cover plate still open, take your compressed air and spray out the internal components of the projector. Accumulation of dust is the biggest problem when dealing with cleaning a projector. Now we'll take the cover plate and put it back over top of the lamp. And tighten the screw. Lastly, take your lens cleaner and spray it on the anti-static cloth. And then wipe down the lens of the projector. This will remove any dust or dirt that has accumulated and will project a clearer image. With the still damp cloth, just wipe down the outside of the machine to remove any accumulated dust or dirt. Now, replace the side cover plate, and we're ready to set up the projector to project a film reel. First, you're going to bring up the arms that will hold the film reels, and they'll lock into place. You'll hear a click sound. And the second arm, like that. Next, you're going to take the take-up reel and place it on the back arm. Push it until it's in place, and use the pin to lock it in place. Next, take the film strip and hook it up on the front arm in the same manner. Now you're ready to spool the film from one reel to the next. This is an automatic machine, so it's actually pretty simple. I'll take down the sides or the cover plate so that you can see what's happening. You're going to take the end of the film and place it in the loading area. Slide it through and then depress to load. Now you can take the end of the film that's gone through, and there's a little slot on the inside section of this reel, and just slide the end of the strip through there. And it'll hold it in there for when the film starts to play. Now I'll just turn this around to face the screen, and I'll show you how to project the film. To start, you press the forward button, which is located on this side here, and turn on the lamp. Now we're going to want to focus and center the film. Spin this bottom knob, the bottom of the film projector to bring it up. And use the focusing knob to bring the image into focus. Now to stop it, you can turn on, you can press the off button. And at this point, if it had run all the way through, you would hook the film up from the take-up reel where it will all have accumulated back up to the original reel and press the rewind button. But since we haven't done that, we stopped it in the middle, we'll just press the reverse button. And turn off the lamp so that it doesn't waste the energy. And turn off the machine. Now for storage, pull the pin forward and just pull the reel off and place it back in its canister. Do the same with the take-up reel. To put the arms down, this one you press the button here, and it unlocks it and brings it down, and then there's a button behind this arm as well. Now you just need to unplug the machine. Pull up the cord. It's all in one self-contained unit for easy storage. You're going to want to lower it down back into its original position. And once you've let it cool down, you can cover it with its protective cover. And the extra take-up reel goes in the side.